Today we are going to learn about valency. What is valency? The combining capacity of an element is called valency. We have to remember two things. One is symbol, other is valency. If we know symbol and valency, we can write formula of maximum compounds. So, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine, sodium, potassium, hydrogen, silver, etc. have one valency. Calcium, magnesium, zinc, barium, manganese, sulfur, oxygen have two valency. Aluminium, chromium has three. Its valency is 3, as well as nitrogen and phosphorus also. Start. Silicon, carbon, these have valency 4. These two elements, silicon and carbon, its valency is 4. Now we are going to teach some more valencies of compounds. For example, carbonate. Carbonate, its formula is CO3 and valency is 2. Bicarbonate, HCO3, its valency is 1. It is carbonate CO3 and it is bicarbonate SCO3, its valency is 1. SO4, valency 2. Bisulfate, it is also called hydrogen sulfate. HSO4 is its valency formula and valency is 1. Nitrate, NO3, formula is NO3 and valency is 1. ClO3, its formula is ClO3 and valency is 1. Phosphate, PO4 and valency is 3. And hydroxide, OH, its valency is 1. So we are going to learn how to write a chemical formula. I told you we have to know two things. One is symbol, other is valency. We can write chemical formula of chemical compounds easily. For example, sodium chloride. So symbol of sodium is Na or symbol of chlorine Cl. Both valency is 1, 1. It neutralizes and make NaCl. You should know it is common salt. And in this way, we can write easily the formula of chemical compounds, for example, sodium chloride. We will have to know two things. One is symbol and other is valency. Some more example. Potassium chloride, KCl 1, 1. And formula becomes KCl. It is the formula of potassium chloride, hydrogen chloride, for hydrogen we should write H, its symbol is H, chlorine Cl, valency 1, 1, it neutralizes and formula becomes HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Calcium chloride. For calcium, we write symbol Ca. For chlorine, we write Ca. Its valence is 2, its valence is 1. Both are not equal, so it does not utilize each other, and formula becomes CaCl2. Okay,